Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up and create a new account on the Aqua Wallet app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Aqua Wallet application on your device, and from the home page, you will see the Create Wallet option. Make sure to accept the terms and conditions and tap on the Create Wallet button. And now you will be taken into your wallet account right away. Now tap on the settings icon at the bottom right corner. And now you will need to save your seed phrase that will allow you to access your account once again in the future. So from the settings page, scroll down until you see the View Seed Phrase option. Go ahead and tap on it and then press the next button after seeing all the warnings. When you press the next button, you will now be shown your seed phrase for your account. Make sure to save the secret recovery phrase in a safe space. You can take a note in a paper or save it on any note-taking application as well. Once you have written it, tap on the close button, and through this method, you can save your secret recovery phrase for future use. Now that your secret recovery phrase has also been saved, your sign-up process has been completed. You can now start trading with your account right away. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on the Aqua Wallet app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.